Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going how can switch your another account in Canva step by step, whether you want to switch between multiple accounts or manage a separate workspace. This guide will help you set everything up quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Canva's official website. Once the page finishes loading, make sure you're logged into your main account. When you're on the home dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, click on it, and a menu will drop down with several options. Inside the menu, look for the option related to account settings or profile management. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where all your account information is displayed. Here, you'll see the section that shows your current logged in account. Right below that, Canva gives you the option to either switch accounts or add a new one. To add another account, select the option that says something like Use another account. When you click it, Canva will redirect you to a login page. Once you log in with the new account, Canva will automatically link it and save it in the account switcher. That means next time you click on your profile icon, you'll see both accounts listed and you can switch between them instantly without logging out. This is especially helpful if you manage different projects, work for different clients, or want to keep your personal and professional designs separate. Adding multiple accounts keeps everything organized and makes your workflow much smoother. And that's it. You've successfully added another account in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming guides.